Hello, my name is Sunny Hamza, register number UR15 CS360, and today I'm going to show you a C++ program on insertion sort. As you can see, inside our main program I have initialized an array named A having size 20 of type integer, and also variable n, I, j, k and temp of type integers. After that I have displayed the output message as enter the number of the elements, and I have taken the number of elements in the variable n, and after that I have displayed the output message as enter the elements, and for taking the elements in the integer I have used a for loop which is having I is equal to 0, I is less than n and I plus plus, and after that I have taken the values inside the array A, and for sorting I have used another for loop which runs from I is equal to 1 to I less than n and I plus plus, and inside that I have another for loop which is having j is equal to I, j is less than 1 and j minus minus. So what this does is this just compares two elements in the array, and after that it just if a of j is less than a of j minus 1, then a of j value is copied into temp, and then a of j minus 1 value is copied into j, and a of j minus 1 is equal to temp. So what basically this does is this swaps the value of a of j and a of j minus 1, and so like this our whole array is sorted. And after that there is the output message as sorted array, and for that I have used another for loop to display all the variables stored in the array, and when we run this program we can see that enter the number of elements. If you want to say 7, enter the element. See, here our sorted array is 21, 23, 32, 34, 43, 65 and 76, and this is how our insertion sort works. Now I am going to tell you a C++ program on selection sort. Here we can see I have declared two functions named print and selection sort, which are having the arguments as integer of array and integer, and inside our main program I have declared two variables m and n of type integer, and after that I have displayed the output message as enter the number of elements, and also I have declared an array of name AR and size 30 of type integer, and I have taken the value number of elements inside n, and after that I have displayed the output message as enter the elements, and for that I have used a for loop and I have taken the values inside array AR. After that I have called the array selection sort function selection sort, and after calling selection sort it will go to the selection sort declaration, and it will just see. So here we have the parameters as integer AR of array and integer n, and inside this we have declared another variable m of integer, and after that we have used a for loop which runs from I is equal to 0 and I is less than n to plus plus I, and after that m is equal to I, and there is another for loop which is for j is equal to I plus 1, j is less than n and plus plus j. So what this do is it compares if a of j is less than a of m. If it's true, then m is equal to j, and we just use the swap function, default swap function, to swap the values of AR of I and AR of m, and we get the swapped values. And after that we display the output message as array after the selection sort, and we use the print function AR of n. So what it is AR of n is AR is the our array, and n is the size. Here you can see it is integer size. So we have used a for loop to display all the messages elements in the array, and it is when we run the program we can see that the number of elements 8. See here our sorted array is, which runs from 21, 43, 46, 65, 76, 82, 87 and 423. So it's in ascending sorted order. So, and here it is, it is our C++ program for selection sort. Thank you for watching the video.